Taichuan Packaging Machinery Company Limited, built in 2009, is professional in design, manufacturing, researching, development, producing, and sales. Taichuan is located in Foshan, 40 minutes by car from Guangzhou. Cover area more than 12,000 square meters. Working space 10,000 square meters, including 5 workshops. Special in-big vertical packing machine, horizontal packing machine, VFFS type, special customized packing machine, spare parts workshop, more than 60 kinds of model. Since Taichuan found, we are focused on research, design, quality, and service. Develop a professional technology department and after-service team. All kind of our packing machines pass CE certificate. As strict product processing control and quality detection, our machines hot sale to North America, South America, Europe, Mideast, Asia, Africa. We have our own spare parts workshop, CNC machine, forming machine, producing more than 300 sets packing machine, spare parts stock, so machine with short delivery times and high quality. Big vertical type packing machine, including automatic weighing system, feeding system, non-standard packing system, horizontal packing machine, not only including rotary type, reciprocating type, but also can, according to client's requirement, connect producing line. All the VFFS type with elegant stainless steel frame, good protect cover, making work more safety and high efficiency. Keep creating quality first, good service is Taichuan company policy. Welcome customer all over the world.